Hi, I'm Ron Brown from Brown's Tire here in Shepherdstown, West Virginia. Today on Career Day, I'm talking about what I do for a living. I'm an auto technician or an auto mechanic. I've been doing this for about 35 years. As you can see, I'm over there working on a truck today, fixing an air conditioner on. I'll give you a little walking tour through the shop to see what it is that we do here at Brown's Tire. As you can see, we work on trucks, bigger trucks, work on Jeeps with big tires, and a variety of everything. You can see it's our AC machine that we use to help repair the vehicles, the truck air conditioner. Okay, let's walk inside. I'll show you some tools. Okay, these are some tools that we use every day. Of course, a laptop computer. This is a lab scope or a scan tool, and these are voltmeters, amp meters that we also use. To do this job, you need good math skills, you need good reading skills, and good comprehension skills, and you also need to learn how to type well. And you need some computer skills. Everything today is computer based. As you can see, we also work on some vintage cars. I'll walk around here so get a good picture. This is a Packard, 1939 Packard. It's called a vintage car. It's also getting repaired today. Sitting here in front of an alignment machine. Alignment machine helps keep the vehicle aligned, keeps the wheels straight so your vehicle goes down the road correctly. It doesn't pull left or right. Also here we have tires off of a vehicle. Fixing the brakes. As you can see, the brakes are off of it. Placing the rotors. This is how the vehicle stops. Do a lot of brake work. Everybody likes to stop when they drive their cars. Okay. As you can see, our tire balancer. Every tire that comes off needs to be balanced so the car doesn't vibrate, or the truck, whatever you're driving, SUV. Again, this is our tire machine that we use to mount up tires with. These tires are highly complex. And over here is showing tools and toolboxes. This is things that we use, not stuff, tools that we use to do our job correctly. Just trying to give you an overview of what we have here. If anybody's interested in this profession or any more questions, I would say please talk to your parents, talk to your teachers, talk to your school counselor, and have them get in touch with me or have them point you in the right direction. I went to a technical school. You don't have to go to a technical school. You can go do an on-the-job training. There's a lot of ways to get into this business. You just have to want to do it. Thank you for your time. Again, any questions, please contact your parents or your school counselor or especially your teacher, and they will point you in the right direction. Thank you.